All right, let's jump right in. What we're going to do here is unpack a complete blueprint for creating a fully automated, faceless YouTube channel. And the secret weapon? A whole suite of powerful, and get this, free AI tools that can build what's basically an income machine.
Now, I know what you're thinking. That's a pretty bold claim. But just imagine for a second. What if you could build a consistent, scalable income stream that, once you get it going, pretty much runs itself? That's the real magic behind the system we're about to break down.
And here's the part that makes this so powerful for so many people. The entire method is built around staying anonymous. We're talking no cameras, no building a personal brand, just pure, uncut value delivered through automation. This really opens the door for absolutely anyone to get in the game.
Look, this isn't just some theory either. This is backed up by a real-world example, a channel in the motivational niche that, in just 6 short months, has already raked in over $110,000. That's some serious, concrete proof that this model absolutely works.
So, the big question is, how is it actually done? Well, it's a 7-step blueprint. We're going to walk through every single one, and you'll see how each step just stacks right on top of the last, creating this complete, streamlined production line for your content.
So to make it even easier to follow, we've organized the whole thing into 5 key phases. We'll kick things off by understanding the secret sauce. Then we'll move on to building that solid foundation, firing up the AI content engine, crafting the final product, and of course, the best part, how to monetize and scale it. Okay, first things first, let's get into the why. What's the secret here? Why do these faceless channels perform so well? I mean, sometimes they even blow past traditional creators. It all boils down to one simple, fundamental idea about audience psychology.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. Your audience, they're not there for you. They're there for what you can give them, whether that's a piece of wisdom, some motivation, or just good information. Once you really get that, you realize the messenger's face is totally optional, as long as the value is undeniable.
Okay, so with that in mind, let's start building. This is our first actionable phase, setting up a truly strategic foundation. This covers the first 2 steps of our blueprint, and honestly, this is where most people who try this get it completely wrong. Step 1 is all about strategy, not guesswork. We're using AI right from the very beginning to pick a searchable name, to write a description that literally programs the YouTube algorithm to help us, and even to create a professional profile picture that gives you instant credibility.
And what's so cool is that we've got a kind of secret formula you can use right away. This right here is an actual ChatGPT prompt. It's not just for brainstorming. It's designed to generate names that have a real sense of authority and actually connect with the audience you're trying to reach.
Now, with the channel all set up, we get to maybe the most critical piece of this entire puzzle, the script. You have to understand, a bad script will kill your channel before it ever gets a chance, no matter how amazing your visuals or voiceover are. This is the bedrock. Everything is built on this.
The key here is that we're not just creating stuff out of thin air. The formula is simple. Find what's already working. We're talking videos with over 1 million views. Analyze their core concepts. Then we just rebuild those proven ideas from a fresh angle, aiming for that 3 to 4 minute sweet spot to keep our audience watching right to the end.
All right, so we've got a killer script in hand. Now we move into the really fun part, the core production phase. This is where we feed our script into what I like to call the AI content engine and just watch it come to life with voice and visuals.
So this is the AI production line. It's a really simple, linear process. First, the script goes to an AI voice generator, called the Labs, for a super realistic voiceover. Then, we use an image tool, Leonardo AI, to create these stunning visuals based on that script. And finally, we bring those static images to life with an AI video generator called Pixverse.
Now, to get a truly human-sounding result from Labs, here's a pro tip. Generate the audio in chunks, like paragraph by paragraph. This creates much more natural pauses and inflections. And of course, make sure you pick a voice that really matches that calm, wise tone of the motivational niche. Now pay attention, because this is a total game changer. There's this incredible trick for Pixverse. Before you animate your image, just open it in a basic paint program and make the canvas bigger. Just drag it out. This gives the AI more room to work, and the result is this incredibly dynamic, almost cinematic movement. It's a simple little thing that can save you thousands on animation. So, we've generated all of our AI assets. Now it's time to put all the pieces together into a polished, professional final product. This section is all about the edit and, maybe most importantly, the art and science of the thumbnail. Let's get super specific here, because getting the audio mix right is absolutely crucial for that professional feel. You want to set your voiceover volume to exactly 5. That's it. This simple tweak makes sure your narration is crystal clear and really commands attention.
And to go along with that, the background music should be set to -15. See? These precise, tested levels create the perfect audio balance. The music sets the mood, but it never ever overpowers the actual message. It just takes all the guesswork out of mixing your audio.
Your thumbnail is, without a doubt, the single most important part of your video. It's not just art, it is a science. And the formula boils down to 3 C's. Clarity, so people instantly get what it's about. Contrast, so it pops off a crowded page. And curiosity, creating that little itch that a viewer just has to scratch by clicking. We have a finished product. And now for the really exciting part, turning your automated content machine into a real-life income stream. This is step 7 and beyond. Let's talk about monetization and scaling. So yeah, YouTube ad revenue is great, but the real money is often in affiliate marketing. Just look at the potential. If you're promoting a product that pays a $44 commission, just 10 sales a month is an extra $440. 50 sales a month, that's over $2,000. You can start to see how the path to that $10,000 a month goal starts to become very, very real.
So we've covered the entire blueprint, from start to finish. But it all ends with this powerful reminder. You can have the best roadmap in the world, but if you don't actually get in the car and start driving, you're going to go nowhere. The key, the only key, is to apply what you've learned.
So that's the final thought I want to leave you with. You now have the complete system. You have the tools, you have the strategy. The only question left is, what are you going to build with it?